Going to do some spring maintenance on the Gravely, get it ready for this year. Going to change the oil filter, check the battery, check the hydraulic fluids, and make sure the plugs look good. And then that'll be it. Get ready to go. Alright, just let it warm up for a little bit so the oil will come out quicker. And on this unit here is your oil filter. And then down there you see that little bolt on the end of that. There's a line where that drains. Should drain a little faster with this cap out. So while that oil's dripping out, take the oil filter off now. I strongly recommend getting one of these set of channel locks. It's for small oil filters. It won't work on a big one on a 350 Chevy or something, but for jet skis, mowers, things that have those small puck-sized filters, this works great to get in small places. Alrighty. So I still got a lot of oil to drain. I gotta check the battery. So battery fired up earlier. It's got charge, but I don't know if you can see, you got a lot of corrosion. This metal is basically falling apart from the fumes from the battery. This is a new battery, got it last year. I think I'm gonna just trash this bracket and replace it with something not made out of metal. If I can find a piece of plastic, scrap plastic, or maybe find do it with a piece of wood. It doesn't have to do much, just gotta stop this battery from sliding left and right. But yeah, I don't want all that corrosion making a big mess in here. Sooner or later, that piece of metal will just be gone. It'll just dissolve. So this thing's no good. Check this fluid for the hydro gears. Looking at that level, it looks good. And this is like an expansion tank, because this hydro oil fills up, expands quite a bit, and then it'll fill that tank up when it's hot. Plugs on this machine are really easy to change. Got two of them, one here, and then on the other side, right here. These don't look bad. I just hit them with a wire brush, put it back in. I think I changed these out last year. Ah, that one looks even better. In you go. So I got replacement oil filter here. I just get these on Amazon. These are the legit Kawasaki ones. I bought a pack of 4, pretty good price. And you can just search on part numbers and you'll find them on Amazon. But I'll put a link in the description of the video if you happen to have this same Kawasaki engine that this zeroturn has. You'll need this filter. And then from the manual it says use straight up SAE 30. I'm down in Texas, it's hot all the time, so just use a standard weight 30 weight oil, and I use that in this mower and other small engines around here too. This unit only takes 1.8 quarts, so it'll just barely be 2 quarts, barely. So I'll go ahead and get a little oil. On the outside of that filter, on the threads. Just going to do it hand tight, because I can do a pretty good tighten on this thing without a tool. Here we go. Our draining's all done. I can shut the drain valve. All right. Yeah, it looks good. So something I like to do is figure out how much oil was left in the thing when I drained it. And so I just got 3 quarts marked off on this old junk bottle, and I'm gonna head and measure. All right, so it looks like it came in right at under 2 quarts here. It came in right at where it should be. About 1.8 quarts is what this engine holds. So that's good. I'm not leaking any oil. I'm not burning any oil. Go ahead and check out the air filter. Not bad. Just got to bang it off and then throw it back in. All right, so we got that battery taken care of, oil filter changed, oil changed, checked both spark plugs, cleaned the air filter, and tightened everything up. I think we're good to go. Go ahead and fire it up.